Good evening. I'm Robert Tyler. I'm an attorney. I represent Gina Nicks. She's an individual running for school board in Area 4. And Gina has a child who's enrolled in first grade here within the school district. Somehow, her child's personal information was released to some third parties. We're not sure how that happened. This information, unfortunately, was published in Stu News and effectively used to attack Miss Nicks' candidacy.
Excuse me. We're, as your attorney, we can't have you speak about anything to do with the election. If you,
this doesn't have to. This only has to do with the election because a student's private information was released.
Okay.
And this is a time for public comment, and this is completely inappropriate for you to take my time away when I have an opportunity to address this.
Could you stop the clock? I'm sorry. I will give you your time, but I would like some direction on this, if you don't mind. Is that okay?
I do mind, but you can go ahead and do what
I'll give you your time.
You need
back
to do. Sure.
Okay. I'm not quite sure how much time I took.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. So you gave him like 20 seconds more or something? Okay. I just want to make sure you do not mention anything that has to do with the election or candidacy. Okay?
Well, that's cat's out of the bag.
Well, just don't do it anymore.
And the fact of what happened, what's concerning is the fact that that an individual who is running for office, that her child's information was released out of a file that never should have happened. It's illegal, it's unlawful, it violates the student's right to privacy. And frankly, I'm here to ask you as trustees who are responsible for protecting our kids, for protecting the kids in the state, your school district, and their privacy, to find out and come to the bottom of what happened. Why did this child's information get released? And why is it? I can tell you it's being used to attack the candidacy of this individual. You can read the Stu News, you can read emails that have been circulated, and we'll be filing a complaint with the Orange County Board of Education. And any public official using their position to influence an election is wholly inappropriate, and it's illegal. And so we're filing this administrative complaint with the Orange County Board of Education, and we're asking that you do your own internal investigation without the necessity of having the Orange County Board or the State Department of Ed come to you and demand that this investigation be done, because I'm sure most of you are sitting here saying this never should have happened. And I would suspect that you agree with me, and I'm hoping that you get to the bottom of it and to make sure this doesn't happen again, because this is America, and we've seen things like this happening on a national level right now. We don't need to have this kind of stuff to happen at a local school board.
Mr. Tyler, I'm going to ask you to step out with Mr. Drake so we can get some more information and more details from you regarding the information that you're declaring has been released.
Sure.
So we're going to have you to step out there with Mr. Drake, and so he can start finding out exactly in detail what you're talking about.
Thank you, Mr. Navarro. Appreciate that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.